Welcome to this lesson on the present perfect tense in its positive form. The present perfect is one of the most important tenses in English, and today we'll learn how to use it correctly when making positive statements. Let's look at the structure of the present perfect positive form. It has three parts. First, the subject, which is the person or thing doing the action. Second, we use either have or has as our helping verb. And third, we use the past participle form of the main verb. So the formula is subject plus have or has plus past participle. Now, when do we use have and when do we use has? It's simple. We use have with the pronouns I, you, we, and they. For example, I have, you have, we have, they have. On the other hand, we use has with the third-person singular pronouns, he, she, and it. So we say he has, she has, it has. Remember this rule because it's very important. The third part of our structure is the past participle. There are two types of verbs here. Regular verbs form their past participle by simply adding ed to the base form. For example, work becomes worked and play becomes played. However, irregular verbs have special forms that you need to memorize. For instance, eat becomes eaten and go becomes gone. Don't worry, we'll see more examples soon. Let's practice with some examples using have. I have finished my homework. You have learned English. We have visited Paris. They have eaten lunch. Notice how we use have with all these subjects, and each sentence uses the past participle form of the verb: finished, learned, visited, and eaten. Now let's see examples with has. He has finished his homework. She has learned French. It has stopped raining. Here, we use has because the subjects are he, she, and it. Again, we use the past participle forms, finished, learned, and stopped. The structure is exactly the same, we just change have to has. Here are some common irregular verbs you should know. See becomes seen, do becomes done, make becomes made, take becomes taken, write becomes written, and know becomes known. These are very frequently used in English, so try to memorize them. With practice, they will become natural to you. Let's review the key points. First, use have with I, you, we, and they. Second, use has with he, she, and it. Third, always use the past participle form of the verb, not the simple past. And finally, learn irregular verbs through practice and repetition. Master these rules, and you'll be able to use the present perfect positive form confidently. Great job today!
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.